Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in to see what I am up to. I have one of my favorites. This is my selfie box, and this is finally my December box. This has for 30 days been held up here in my own city and just not arriving. Annoying. I'm going back and forth with selfie box. I mean, I think Friday or Saturday I was like, okay, I'm done. My patience is over. Like, where's my box? I paid for it. I want my box. And while they were responding and very sympathetic and trying to look into it, you know, my last email was, you know, well, what should our response be? I don't know. You tell me. I paid for a box and I wasn't getting it. I think they should have been a little bit more on top of it, or at least offer to do something. You know, I don't know. I mean, I like selfie box, but, you know, that kind of showed me a little bit of further insight. And Oreo was down, and I have Bully Make down on the floor, so she's sniffing around it. I just don't want her to get anywhere near it. She likes to chew cardboard boxes. So we're going to get into this one, and let me just pull this little sticky tape off. Oops. Can't leave stuff like that around. She will find it and get it. Hopefully this is not overly sealed like it used to be, because you could never get into them. And of course it is. Oy. Okay, maybe not too bad. Okay, that wasn't awful. Okay, so here's your little sneak peek. I don't want the card to fall out. So this is, as I assumed, I could tell from the tracking, that it was the December box. And when I pull the card out, selfie box is $25 a month. Free shipping. You get only natural, vegan, cruelty-free beauty and skincare items, and some nice skincare items. Also, 4 to 5 full-size products. Promise a value of at least $100. You can buy individual boxes if you don't want to subscribe. Like if you saw, like, and it wasn't, you know, January, and you saw the December box, and you were like, oh, I like everything in there. And if it's still available on their website, you can go make a one-time purchase of that box. It is $30. To do that, I love their mission statement, and I say it every video: self-empowerment, self-love, self-esteem, and self-care. I think we should all go by that. So here's their card, and they do give prices and a description, but it's like tonal. It's black on that like reddish color, so that's a little hard to read. But we'll try our best. So let's, oops, that's a big bottle. And this is from Volum. And this is Botanical Splash Aloe and Eucalyptus Oil Hydrating Toner. Oh, I like toner. 4 fluid ounces. Let me open this. Let me find the price. $35. Is it a spray? I like when they're sprays. Oh, yeah, it is. And it's nice and sealed up, as you can see. With all the running around we do, sometimes we need a midday refresher. This nourishing eucalyptus toner refreshes and hydrates dull, fatigued skin in an instant. Perfect prior to moisturizing, following your cleanser, or as a welcome midday refresher. Let me see. This face toner also quickly helps to correct and balance the pH of your skin and make it less susceptible to aging, sagging, and drying. Cruelty-free, made in the USA. I love it. We'll use it. Like I said, this box uses some really great products. And that was $35. I'm not going into any order specific. This is from Cab Cosmetics. Illuminating Dust. Let me see. So I guess you could get the Glow Powder or the Illuminating Dust. $28 value. As a special December gift, every member gets a unique 6th item from our favorite brand of the year. Okay. Thank you. Greatly appreciated. Always nice to get a little extra free gift. So here's the packaging. You can see that. Hopefully it has a seal on it, since it's illuminating. Yeah, it looks like it does have a little seal. I don't want to dump it over too much. This might be a little too dark for me. I'll have to look into it. But if not, I will share it in a giveaway before I, you know, touch anything. So that was a nice little extra for $28, right? 28? Yeah. Okay, we'll do the next one, which is from Sensuals, and this is 100% natural perfume roll-on vanilla sunset. Let's see. And she is still here sniffing that boy make box. Like, she knows that that's her box to do. Not doing it today, but so that's what it looks like right there. Just a roller. Have it the right way? Probably not. Right here. Let me see. And that's pretty. Not heavy, light. You could probably mix that with another, depending on the scent, but I'm not mad at that at all. I like that. So let's see, Sensuals Vanilla Sunset Perfume, $19. I'm not going to read stuff on that. It's 100% natural vanilla, so that's good. Let's see what this is. Oh, there's still a couple things in here. Silky Hair Serum. Ooh, this card is so hard to read. Silky Repair Therapy Hair Serum, $18. You know, frizzy hair, all that good stuff. I probably, and this is sealed, so I'm going to leave it sealed. I have so many hair care products. I will not get to this. I mean, I still have from the AIA Beauty Bundle, you know, 2 sets of boxes with hair care. So I will share this. I'm not going to keep something if it's going to take me, you know, 6 months or a year to get to it. It won't be good by then. So I'll share that in a giveaway. And what is this? Piliani. Okay, I've never heard of this. Piliani Youthful Glow Cream, $32. This is a luxurious anti-aging formula designed to help prevent fine lines, age spots, reduce scar discoloration, and reveal a naturally youthful glow. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, okay. Sometimes these boxes are so hard to get it. Oh my goodness, look at this packaging. Look at this packaging. Wow. That is so awesome. Just trying to see how this opens. Look at this. This is so cool. I love it. See, that would sell me on it instantly. I'm trying to think what that scent is. But as you can see, not... Ooh, I don't think I can lift that way. Let me just try it this way. I can get a better grip with my right hand. Look at that huge air pocket. That's ridiculous. Like, that literally is half. That's a disgrace. I mean, I understand it's displacement from shipping, but that's oh, what is that? That was on the lid. Make your packaging smaller then, or put more in. Like, to me, that's not right. I don't like that at all. I can get that back on, but that packaging is beautiful. Even when you're done, you could display that. I'm trying to think what the scent was. Maybe I'll have to finish reading on card. That feels nice and smooth and silky. Can't put my finger on the scent. Comes from the Philippines. Cruelty. Yeah, female-owned business. Okay. I'm trying to think what the scent is. Almost smells like a little eucalyptus-y without it being eucalyptus. But I'm still happy to have it. Okay. I think we have one more item. Oh, we have a palette. This is from IBY Beauty. I love IBY Beauty. Hollywood Glam Eyeshadow Palette right here. A little bit of glare. Let's open this up. I love getting palettes. And lately I've not been keeping a lot since I did my declutter. I've kept a few, but I love sharing them with all of you. Beautiful packaging. Beautiful, beautiful packaging. Nice mirror. Wow, this is pretty. I'll just hold the card up to block the mirror. Look at this. Their products are pretty good. I'm not gonna, you know, they're not great, but they're not horrible. They're like middle to moving up a little bit to, you know, to pretty good. So, you know, not really had a problem with it. Nice little black. There's purples, blues. I think it's more like a navy blue. That would be great for a corner or a crease if you wanted to do that type of look. A light blue, some pinks, neutrals. Nice palette. And there is a protective shield, I think. I can see it. But yeah, here it is. It's right there. It was like stuck to the mirror. Has a nice size mirror, which has a protector on it too. This is really nice. I think that is a pretty nice looking palette there. So let's see what this says. IBY Hollywood Glam Palette, $20. Okay, I definitely think this is a great box. This right here, I think, wins the award for the best packaging that I've seen in a long time. I will share the hair serum just because I know I won't get to it. The palette is great, and I'll probably share that. I love this, so I'll probably be keeping that. Oops. This I'm not sure if I'll be keeping, just because I don't know if it's my shade. Sometimes when they're more on that gold to bronzy color, it doesn't work for me. But I'm happy to share it. And then this, thrilled with. Love, love toners. Can't get enough of them. And I do use them night and day. So that is Selfie Box for December 2020. Happy to have this box finally. And I still cannot put my hand on that scent that's in that lotion. I mean, it's completely almost faded. I can barely smell it. And that wouldn't bother me on my skin because it's more of, it's not like it's a perfumey smell. Do you know what I mean? And it's not really eucalyptus. What is that smell? I'll have to read the ingredients on the box. It's made with pure P-I-L-I. Peely oil. Maybe that's this what I'm smelling. So, yeah, I mean, it's... I don't really see anything else in here. So it's probably that has that scent. But, I mean, it's not horrible, and it's not something that would be so overpowering. Because I prefer my skincare to be unscented. It's right near my face. It irritates my eyes if the scent is too strong. It's just irritating in general. It's all I can smell, and then I wind up taking it off. But this actually smells nice. And it's only been a couple minutes, maybe 5 minutes, if that, and I can barely smell it on my hand. So it does dissipate. I can just barely smell it. So I'm fine with that, and I can't wait to give that a try. And I'll definitely save that container. When you get a nice container like that, once you use all the product, you know, wash it out, put other creams in it, and then you can just, or nothing, and display it. That's really cute and unique. Like I said, so far, and even in 2020, I haven't seen all that many fancy skincare containers, but that I think would take it for that. That's a great packaging. I think that's so adorable. And coming from the Philippines, that might be like a symbol for them. You know, I don't know much about, you know, the Philippines. But so thanks for watching the December selfie box. I think my January one has shipped. Hopefully the post office is catching up or is caught up, that we don't have to wait too long. I'm already getting some of my January boxes, so hopefully they're, you know, back to trying to get things back to normal. I know they were extremely overwhelmed, and, you know, that was one reason I was patient and understanding with Selfie Box, why I wasn't getting my box. But, you know, after a certain point, all right, enough was enough. But it came, so I'm happy. I have it. I did, like I said, I emailed Selfie Box right away when I received it this evening, to let them know I finally got it, but, you know, would never leave them on the hook like that without me responding. So, thanks for watching. I hope you're all doing well, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.